Hey guys, it's Keto Granny. I just wanted to say that I just made this great, great tasting chocolate mug cake. And as you can see in there how it looks, I tell you, this tastes so good. It is so moist. I took the recipe from Cutting Up Keto and she made a chocolate mug cake. It is so delicious. I'll tell you the ingredients that I use for this, and then I'll give you a link below to her channel, to her recipe. She has some really good recipes. Anyway, in this, I used 2 tablespoons of almond flour. I used a quarter teaspoon baking powder. I used 1 tablespoon of swerve. I used a tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, and then I mixed those ingredients together really good in my container. And then I added egg yolk, a teaspoon of water, a tablespoon of mayonnaise, and I mixed those ingredients together. After I mixed those ingredients together, I put how many chocolate chips, unsweetened chocolate chips that I wanted in this. And I let it sit for a minute. She said to let it sit for a minute, or else it wouldn't rise correctly. So I let it sit for 1 minute. And then I actually baked mine on 1 minute. She says to bake it from 40 to 45 seconds. Mine ended up baking for a minute and it didn't burn. I'm so glad. But this is so delicious. And like I said, I will put a link to her recipe. But you all should try this keto uh, chocolate moist mug cake. Is great. This tastes delicious. I mean, it really does. Look at that. It's delicious. Mm-hmm. Okay, as you see, I have just finished this keto mug cake. Hey, it was so delicious. Wow, I mean, it was really delicious. You all should try this. Again, it's called the Keto um, Chocolate Moist Mug Cake. You see that? That's gone. That was good. That was really good. Enjoy.